hype on Uno. Nobody no bad mind more than Uno. We are our worst enemy. Oh, I love where Britney just go eat a 2-pound fish and come back. Yeah, after Britney not care about Uno. All of who kick up on a reel up, Britney don't care one shit about Uno because enough for Uno we attack. It's enough for Uno we attack. Uno more hypocritical and wicked than Brittany. And one thing me want to state, you know, everybody I use Britney for a distraction, and everybody in the world want information. Everybody I use Britney as distraction. No. One question we answer. Everybody I use Britney as distraction. Everybody. And everybody have their own undercover theory about it. Everybody have their own undercover theory. What the question then? I have a question. What the question? When you can't write, when you want to say, then don't ask. Exactly. Me just sit and watch. First and foremost, it's a destiny. I could never agree with destiny. I could never. Because destiny make it in point of duty to listen out to who I say what him a think. And anybody where I say what destiny I think, destiny are going to lick out upon them. Yeah, just that. Anybody where I say what him a think, him are going to lick out upon them. And for such, him grab to Britney and start talk about, I'm Britney shit, and only for this, and only for that. Destiny motor are rotten, it's a decay. Destiny have infection in her jawbone. Destiny motor the farm. It's just wicked. I vanish it. The whole of them crash she about the internet what there. And fear foolishness and fear man them because she must take people's sound and make a movie out of them. She nothing now going for she, so she come now. I'm Brittany. Ivan, you're worse than Brittany 10 times. You're a dog shit. You are a dog doodle. You're worse than Brittany. Go attend to your baby you pick up matters off the street. Go attend to your little boy where hardly I walk and but can't walk and not stand up. Go and take care of that little boy. Not try change nothing. Not take nothing off for you. Keep it on you. Keep it on you. All of Uno. That's why I don't want none of tell me say, I like him, I say, Uno don't know what love is. All of Uno from Triple go right down. I frightened when Triple try make a money for the shooting incident. I frightened. You do have no information. Nobody now give you no information. A true destiny dance. A true destiny dance. Nobody now give no information. You don't have no information. You're not privy to no information. And you make it your point of duty to come talk about say you know say. You make it your point of duty. So even if the guy is dead, you don't make a money off of the 9 nights. So you see him. I tired to tell them. Say all I want to wear jump up about support. You guys are termites. All I want to triple worse than Britney. Miss Triple action worse than what Brittany said. Miss Triple's action worse than what Brittany said. It's true. Leech is the truth. Your action worse. Is if somebody did tell me, say me at school to my For You page, I me see the dirty woman. And the woman they pan, guys, they're saying that You know? And I saw one bag of nothing, only for collect. One bag of nothing, only to collect. And then una say, una some lies, una wicked, una is a wicked set of dirty drunk crowd. Nobody know if it cost Britney, cause at least you know which part Britney standing at the party, PNP or JLP. You know which part she stand. People like Triple, una for afraid of. People like Triple. So you know, say if she have no farmer information, you have to pay for it. You know that. If somebody say, oh, she wicked more than Brit, at least you understand who your enemy be. You know who your enemy is. But the ones who are play with you and hustle after you, they are the ones you need to be afraid of. Just like the people when they're around you send them go shop and them don't bring back your change. And they go talk in a conversation and say, oh, me that never rob my friend. You know with my change. So someone or two don't spend the internet. So when you come and talk about oh she this and oh she that, let me take the time out and explain to a so cocky girl like you. Just let me explain to a so good girl like you. There. The funny part about life is say I walk with a girl or a guy for umpteen years, not realizing that they want to be in your shoes and want to kick you out of your footprint. That is one I don't understand. I can't talk to no phone because the whole on the graduate on myself. Remember say light on shoot and gotta come and someone who start dead like fly. Someone who start dead like fly as young as you know be. When who start dead like fly, now we get the little chance to repent. I can't talk to no. And one thing we don't know, very wicked, very wicked. When it's a set of so cocky animal. That's why we tell the whole and jump on my program yesterday. I just said I don't have an opinion. I don't have an opinion. No, people go look on the video. Me never know I don't have an opinion is a rejoicing. Call it so. Call it what you mean. Remember when I say things different, you know. And one thing me know, none of you can cancel me. None of you can cancel me. None of you. Not one. Not one of you. Not one. This is not Britney. This is not World Art. This is not Swiss Lee. None of you can cancel me. Not one. Now try it and see if you not get canceled. Say Batman they are prison. Say Batman they are prison. Not one of you can cancel me. Thank you very much, Lord Jesus. You know, I look on this card. I mean, I say, I just look at me now, come in my mind. Why not, boy? For true, not one I want to try several times. And I realize that God upload me. My obvious secret. Girl, if you have my secret, you that tell the world long time to oh my God. I have no secret, my love. Everybody knows say I would my suck and collect cocky. I have no secret. I have no secret. I never shit in a church yet. And one thing I like, I'm going to try to answer it. If it's true, them tried several times and God upload me. God upload me long time before them tried. It is so sad and sickening. It is so sad and sickening. That everybody appear Brittany mind. And only want the information. And the people with the information are not going to ask them. Only now go ask them, but only appear with Brittany say mind. Destiny they are Zuri through the mouth are rotten. The whole of Destiny drop on are rotten like in bottom. Destiny are rotten upstairs and downstairs and underneath the toilet. Ivani all stink non-stop. All I know, she no push up the insert. All I know, Ivani don't push up the insert and ice not holding on. Ice weak, ice giants them, ice coming like him want some ensure for your baby. Them have things to attend to, matter to attend, and them out the road apart war. Yeah, very non-progressive. Every day on a turn on, I want to turn on her life. She have the hope of getting an audience. She will never be different. She will never be different. She just wait until on forget that she did make a mistake, then she come back. Ivan is the same thing. All dead RT boss, dead, walking dead. All Iba jump up. Don't RT boss, you show your bottom on the net for your man. Yeah, he's an internet batty fish. Enough for you. You don't have nothing for bring to people. You prophecy them wrong. You prophecy them now gone away. Are you the only Obia man must bring false news? Are you the only Obia man must bring false news? I know you couldn't tell we say Milton did there be a storm. And you couldn't tell we say you have Alien first. I know Nadine. You can't tell we not. What you do? What you do? You're too fake. The realest thing for you, the bump them for your bottom. Go clean your toilet, man. Your bottom bumpy. Evidence of your shit spot there for your bottom. If you're a big man, your body bumpy like you wear mesh. Yeah, everybody jump up for say something. Everybody jump up into the argument because this is it. The devil kill you with fame. So you see, you cannot live without fame. You cannot live without fame. No for una got dead. No for una got dead not realizing so you never famous. No for una got dead because una got say una lose una fame not realizing that una never famous. Una only can be marketed to a dirty audience, to a non-progressive audience. Una only can be marketed there and this una talk say una popular. And this on the talk say on the popular when dirty people are getting on for free. When dirty people are getting on for free, on the son of famous. No, it's true. The only time, a lot of us famous in a dirty crowd. Alright, let me tell you what I mean. A lot of artists can't go overseas. A whole heap of artists can't go overseas. They can't put money on artists. You know why? No one knows them. Nobody never hear about them. They market them to some dirty crowd. So them career becomes stagnant like swamp. So them only can go stage show where you know dirty people are come. Embassy would have never keep Christmas party and invite enough of them artists to come perform. Embassy would never. Because they will come perform one bag of nothing. Just like me stripper attack. One bag of nothing. And that I always say, if you keep an event, it only can sold out by dirty crowd. And then all of we walk and say, Jaja Star, place Ram, of course. And these are the people that you won't see next time. When you don't have a name and somebody else have a name, they are going to support that individual and leave you. Because guess what? Now you know how you're marketed. How you market and get your real, you know. It never take nothing, you know why? Because them people don't need nothing. Nothing to excite them. Because it's free. So you were marketed freely to a free crowd. You never sell. You never sell. And people for understand So sometimes when someone get up and a reel up and a go on and suffer for fame, like Destiny has suffer for fame. And do one bit of deep right in there, like King and shit, him talk like King. When King Rabon the King come back come hype and uno, everybody wanna help come back come hype and uno. Because it's a hype thing, but uno nah see it and nah stop talk. And nah stop talk. And nah stop talk. Every time I talk, I feel like me I evangelize. And that make me continue talking. And I feel like me I do the work of God. In a sinful stead. I feel like me I do the work of God. Listen Britney, when I say Ivani and Destiny jump on Britney, see me, then Britney could have really said something about me. And me take it to heart. And me take it to heart. Eh? Britney could have really said something about me or a situation and I take it to heart. Talk truth where God love. Number one, Britney said, nah, go nowhere. What Britney said, not going anywhere in this. All Rosalie jump up across Britney. When Britney said, nah, go nowhere. Number one, you don't even follow Britney. Number two, you don't even watch Britney. Number three, if you don't care what Britney say, it wouldn't reach nowhere. I wanna take up what Britney say and carry it. It's uno the problem. Uno the problem. The Rosalie, the Destiny, the Ivani, and everybody else will attack the Britney bad mind. It's uno the problem. Uno don't sit and support the girl. So why uno want to support the negativity when the girl say, okay now, hear this. She says something about Swissley. Swissley come up and Swissley say, me that never forgive Britney. Britney don't need your forgiveness. You are meaningless to Britney. That's the first thing you need to know. You are meaningless to the. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. You know, you follow too much. You Swissley follow too much. You make everything what people say about somebody that you care zero about affect you. Why? 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 You make my Destiny with Rosalie with no focus as they always been focusing. You not have to pay Britney mind. She meaningless thing that Britney could have said. Look for Lady Grabber. Lady Grabber get up and try class me. You see my answer? Number one, she need for training at Brazil. Number two, she need for learn how to share food. You understand me? So I could never argue with a big woman like she. She lose two things in her life were valuable. So I never sue this because I care zero about her. You know see my answer? I leave her alone. And everybody will really feel like you're going to learn in her life. One day you're going to learn in her life. It doesn't matter what Britney said. Britney could have never said nothing for hurt me. I'm done park she already. I'm done conclude fear mentality already. Me expect anything from somebody when I call mad. Me expect them to see me out the road and stone me. Me expect them to see me out the road and stone me. Who this wise Swiss are wicked? Who you? What you talk about? What you talk about? Go suck your mama. Go suck out your mother. No. Ivani, Rosalie, and Destiny could never make me feel away based on what Britney said. Because number one, me don't conclude Britney. Britney is nobody to me. She's a nobody to me. She can't say nothing to affect me. And number two, what Britney is going to say, the world now got take on. If the world me I watch, the world now got take on to what Britney has said. True or false? So me don't need to pay Britney no mind. Me not give Britney no attention. Me not give her no attention. Destiny, Rosalie and Vanny want beard. They want beard. Vanny need to attend to her baby. She want beard. I just want to learn for Olan. Oh, She want bathe. You want to take ice foot and put in a something and make it step. If I even strong, yeah, make it step. For true. Everybody will come and make a moan. No. And you know what is so funny? You see who you think would talk, not talking. I just pure outsiders that fly them out. A pure outsiders. I always say this. When an artist undergo backlash, you never hear the rest of the artists them come out and defend them. It's like, me no know. You never hear the rest of the artists them come out and defend them. I saw Jamaica run. You don't even appear everybody with the way out at them alone attack. That's why I said nothing. Because I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. I don't know nothing. I don't hear nothing and I don't say nothing. I don't know what transpired more than me just hear everybody across Brittany. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. That's why then people come from a program expecting to. I don't know nothing going on. I just pick up information from the way I said, what happened and nobody now tell me. What happened? What happened right here? What transpired? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Because the real wicked are the vloggers. You see the one them who are vlog, and them are the real wicked. And them are the real wicked. And them are the real wicked. The ones who are editing things wrongfully. And them are the real wicked. And them, the ones who are triple, who are trying to capitalize off a people's situation. And them, I can't miss triple is a wicked and a liar. She's a dirty woman and I will never stop talking that woman is a dirty woman. But she know why she's so bad. Like the amount of people were class Miss Triple and I like daily. Why an incident have to make you sub? Go suck your mama triple and you two pick them where you have. Go suck your mother. Yeah. Go suck out your mama, you and bling her hungry like dog. I never see a set of hungry belly broke pocket loud people so yet like them. Everything them try to make a money off of. Them can't cancel Brittany, my love. Them can't cancel Brittany. They cannot. They cannot. Trust me. Them can't cancel Brittany. You know why? Because them worse than Brittany. Them must sell information like newspaper. Them worse and them need cancelling the Destiny, the Bunny and the Triple. And them need cancelling. And them need cancelling. I never know say I saw Triple hungry. I never know say I saw Triple hungry. I never know. I never know say I saw Miss Triple hungry. Yeah. Them could have never cancel Britney. So when them banana page she build one more. Britney ever build Britney I one girl will build the most page from the app. I ask you, Britney can't go down at you Britney not smart. At you Britney enough and mix up. Britney cannot go down. Vanny for cancel. Vanny for cancel. Vanny baby I one and now walk now hold and can hardly identify things. I swear to. Remember Vanny have a baby under filter. Vanny baby born under filter. Remember from Destiny run off and the government forget about him is an attic Destiny in and Destiny never save no money. Destiny going to want attic. Destiny tell Destiny for jump in my room. Tell Destiny for jump in my room and see if him not get a concussion. I could never pay rent for Ben, you know. I could never pay rent to Ben. Yeah. These are just people who get up every day and try to pick nonsense out of nonsense and sell it like sense. For true, I don't look at them. All them attack I want Britney. Britney fish look better than the chop where Destiny go eat. Cause Destiny the only girl who say go Paris go name fries. Me don't know you have a local stomach like your stomach still like a country. Your stomach still like a Spanish town Destiny. You're the only girl me see leave and go to Paris go look for Eiffel Tower to eat fries. Me don't know how you work out and you're full of wig. Your wig them not come with sense. Eh? You're the only girl me see leave and go to Paris go name fries. Fries and seafood. Destiny me not like you know used to life. Look like a body you overside by. You look like you buy cocky where you walking the way in the way. Are you alone? Me say I'll crack it and leave you. Me say if you Ivan and pretty than Nana one, the three only can walk and call the three musketeers. The three only can walk on a bad pan relationship, man. Nobody know want to take cokehead, wanna take madman, wanna take Instagram lover, wanna take e-harmony, wanna take dating site, wanna take grinder, wanna take queer as folk, wanna take Adam for Adam. A batty site, them make out, you know. Adam for Adam. And not no work for no. Take Jesus. Take Jesus. Yeah. Take Jesus. What I'm saying, if you conclude Brittany's medical record, nothing that Brittany said should never affect anybody at all. Only just a look cloud. And someone a shy from information, so they use Brittany as a distraction. No for no. I mean no say it hurt to no how me at all, because you don't have no information to care about that. Me say for the week I'm gonna make bloggers dead for hungry. Me know me at drops. Nobody not have to tell me. Me not have to play a match to be popular on the app. I come with my popularity. And the difference between me and only when no found have to tell like walk and beg and play a match and do all sort of something, me sit down and have to wait for me. And then you know what I said, me not the real deal, me not even a big deal. Me's just a meal. Me's a belly full. You never know. I'm the only one who sit down here so. And have no week, no blow out. Me have no wait. I never see it. I'm the only one who could have do this. Who could have do this? Tell me the truth. I'm have now wait from sunrise till sunset. I'm the only one. That's why I'm in a mix. I'm in a mingle. I'm the only one who can do this. I'm not have to tell no lie. My opinion matters. As much as you hear people out there say them not like me, I alone could have do this. I'm telling you that from day one. And me alone, me not have to call a girl or a boy name for clout. Because it's a privilege and an honor when me call people name. Everybody find it. Bless up Shebby. Everybody, me know my worth. Me know my worth. We wanna fight for, my pass through. So that is why I can come on the life whenever I feel like. Anyways now, my love and stay blessed and keep sweet. Goodbye.